Home Remedies presents Wonderful Remedies using Carom Seeds Ajwain. No one will tell you about Part 6. Hi guys, good morning, good afternoon and good evening to all my viewers. Hope you all are in good health. I am Rabia and in today's video, again some more amazing remedies will be shared, that too using simple ingredient Carom seeds. So I recommend to watch the video till the end to get full information, and without any more wait, let's start. As this is an extension video, so I will directly move on to the remedies. Arthritis. To control pain in joints due to gout or arthritis, massage with carom seed oil. To prepare its oil, boil 200 ml of mustard oil with 2 tablespoons of ajwain thoroughly. Then strain it to remove seeds and store into a jar. Now massage your joints with this oil, lukewarm 2 to 3 times in a day. Alternatively, you can crush some carom seeds ajwain and apply the paste on the affected area to reduce inflammation and pain. Or you can take ajwain in a powder form too to reduce arthritis pain without medicine. Here is an amazing remedy you can make as well. Ingredients: carom seeds 50 grams, black cumin seeds 50 grams, fenugreek seeds 50 grams. Grind all the 3 seeds and make a fine powder. Ingest half teaspoon of this powder daily in the morning with lukewarm water. It helps to reduce swelling and pain of joints. Treats migraine. Many of us do not know, but carom seeds or ajwain is a great home remedy to treat migraine. Ajwain contains powerful thymol. In fact, it has anesthetic properties which help to reduce the feeling of pain and discomfort. Wrap some ajwain seeds in a tissue paper and then smell this frequently to get rid of the headache due to migraine. Applying ajwain seeds paste on the head is another great way to get relief from migraine. Natural mosquito repellent. Mix together some mustard oil and ajwain seeds. Apply this mixture on small cardboard pieces and then tie them in the corners of your room. This will help in driving the mosquitoes away. Also, the room will be filled with beautiful herbal aroma. Helps dissolve kidney stones. Carom seeds help in breaking the kidney stone and remove it with urine. Mix together 2 tablespoons ajwain seeds and 1 tablespoon each of honey and vinegar. Consume this mixture every day to get rid of kidney stones. Treating eczema. Ajwain paste is very good to heal up the patches of eczema. At first, wash the patches with carom seeds water. To make its water, boil 1 teaspoon seeds in 500 ml water for 10 minutes, let it cool. Then grind some carom seeds to make paste with lukewarm water. Now apply this paste on the affected area for 2 to 3 times in a day. So guys, we are done with the wonderful remedies using carom seeds. I hope you have watched all the parts. If not, then I really request you to do watch them and share with everyone. My next video will be on the side effects of using carom seeds. Don't miss to watch that one. If you liked the video and found it informative and helpful, click the like button and subscribe to my channel for new videos daily. Don't forget to press the bell icon to be notified whenever I publish a new video. Share on your social networks to help others benefit from it too. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.